Welcome to Rascal Apiary. My name's Mike. I'm a journeyman beekeeper in North Carolina. Today we're going to talk about using infrared cameras in beekeeping. What is infrared? Infrared is the measure of light, specifically infrared light. When particles move in an object, they rub against each other and create electromagnetic waves. The waves are invisible to us as humans, but not to an infrared camera. These waves are approximately the size of a single bacteria, so they're real small guys. How does measuring light help with beekeeping? Well, it doesn't. The byproduct of infrared light is what we're really measuring, and that byproduct is heat. When particles move and rub together, they create heat. The heat can be picked up by a laser thermometer. You may have seen these when people are getting their temperature taken. They shoot that laser to the forehead and you get a temperature. The infrared camera will pick up electromagnetic waves and color code them from dark, which is cool, and white, which is hot. As you can see here, I put the light up to my chickens and it will shoot a laser out and detect the temperature. The camera and the laser are working together to help me gather data on my hives or my chickens. During winter, you'll want to know if your bees are in the bottom box or the top box. You might just want to know if they're alive. It's tough to get an accurate reading if the sun is out and the sun's heating the sides of the boxes. This will cause a false positive. Best practice is to head out prior to the sun coming up, so early in the morning, get out there. That way you have cool surfaces on the sides of the boxes and you'll be able to obtain an accurate reading. What are you looking for? A ball of heat on the south-facing wall. The bees will naturally start moving to the southern side of the box as morning approaches. This will warm the cluster faster and allow them to go out and do cleansing flights earlier. This is also part of their natural cycle. During the day, they'll move around the inside of the box, following the sun as the sun shifts around from the southern side to the western side of the box. The camera that we use is called the FLIR One Pro, and it connects to your phone. If you're interested in purchasing one, there'll be a link in the description as always. Thanks for watching, and thanks for joining us today. We appreciate all the comments and the support for the channel. Leave a comment on how you check your bees. Do you do anything fancy, or are you using new technology? If you need more information or you're studying to be a certified North Carolina beekeeper, please visit our site, rascalapiary.com. Oh, and we released a children's book. So go to our store. You'll see a children's coloring book. Check that out and have a great day.